Welcome back to Internet Avail, and in today's video we are going to look into how you can become a digital creator on Facebook in just some few steps, and I'll be showing you the full guide. So first thing first, you need to open your Facebook application. As you can see right here, I've just opened my account, and from here you need to do a number of things, which is you need to head to your profile, go to your profile. You just need to go direct to your profile, and you get to do that by clicking right there. Head to your profile, and then you'll need to click the three buttons which are just on the side here. And of course, in order to become a creator, you need to turn on the professional mode. So as you can see right here, we have our option turn off professional mode, but we need to make sure it's turned on. So let's just proceed and make sure we get to turn it on. So you can see for my case, I professional turned off successfully. I have to make sure it's on, and I think it's already on. So you need to go back to your profile, and for that case, let's just go back to our profile. And then once you get to click this profile option, you should be in a position to see that option of you should be in a position to see that the professional mode is on. So basically what I've done, I've just turned it off, so I need to turn it on right away to make sure I get to access that professional mode, since that's what gets to give you access to this digital creation. So basically this is how easy it is to become a digital creator on Facebook. And hopefully the video have been valuable to you. Just go ahead and make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so that I don't miss these kind of videos each and every time I have a new episode.